It's new bike day and the Fireblade's going. I'm very sad. Well, this is it. The last ride. Well, what a wonderful day it is to swap motorbikes. Drizzly, wet and horrible. But hey, at least it's not snow. That was threatened. I think I'll just stick a fiver in, that should do me. It's only 20 miles. Then please. Cheers. Yeah. No, it's fine. Thank you. Am I going to be super sensible on this ride because it's the last it's the last ride, and if I crash I'll be pissed off. But still awesome power on this thing. 15 years old. No, it's more than that. What are we now? 17 years old. Yes, I can count. One more. So yeah, sadly I've decided it's time to let this one go. The garage has others that I use much more. This one I MOT'd in August. I rode a few times in August because my GS was still being transported back from Russia. But then I bought the XR in beginning of September, so again it kind of went to the back of the garage and the thing covered up and not being used, so it's kind of a shame. It'd be nice to see it go somewhere where it's going to get some use. I want a dirt bike. I want to get out and do some enduro and trails, and kind of been wanting to try that for a few years, so just kind of bit the bullet.